Are you looking to transform your WooCommerce store into a multi-vendor marketplace and are facing issues on how to go around it? Well, using Webkul's WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace plugin, you can convert your single seller store into a multi-vendor marketplace and allow different sellers to sell their products using your platform. Hey guys, I'm Satyam this side, and today we'll be going through the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace plugin. So in today's video, we'll just be checking the initial configuration settings after we have installed the plugin. And in the coming videos, we'll also be checking the vendor registration panel, account panel, and the customer flow as well. So let's hop on to the admin panel now. But before that, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates from us.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations to get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video.
So here we are on the admin backend panel of the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace. So now let's see how it looks. So here we are on the dashboard. On the left hand side of the panel, we can see the marketplace settings available, such as sellers, products, notifications, reviews and ratings, queries and settings. So let's go to settings and see what all options are available for us. So as you can see, we have 5 tabs available for us. These are General, Product Options, Assets Visibility, Endpoints, and Google Analytics and Maps. So now let's see one by one what all options are available in all of the 5 tabs. So here in the General tabs, we have Default Commission. So basically this commission is the commission set by the admin to extract from the sellers on whatever products they sell. And the next option is Auto Approve Seller. So basically if we check this point, the Auto Approve Seller, using this point, whenever a seller registers on the marketplace, so they will be approved automatically. So, and then we have the separate seller dashboard and the separate seller registration checkmarks available as well. So here we have the data delete after seller delete. So after the seller deletes their data from the marketplace, the data will also be deleted from the admin panel as well. So the next option we have available are the applicable shipping methods. So basically we have 2 options available in this, the admin shipping methods and the seller shipping methods. The admin can choose which shipping methods are available for the customers accordingly. So we have the next options available, the select seller page. So basically this is the layout of the seller page that is to be available. We have several options in the drop down. Here you can see we have the custom seller, marketplace, seller, and the terms and conditions. So these are the layouts available. Next, we have the shop name on registration, shop URL on registration, and seller terms and condition pages available and can be chosen accordingly. If you require more detailed information on these topics, we have the user guide listed below in the description. Alright, so now let's go to the second tab, which is the product options. Now, as you can see, these are the seller product settings. So let's go through them one by one. Now we have allow seller to publish. Basically, if the admin enables this option, this will allow the seller to publish the products that they have listed on the marketplace. And the second options are allowed product types and allowed categories. Basically, the admin here enables the seller to list the type of products and the categories in which they can be listed. Here we have several options available, as you can see. The next settings that is listed here is the minimum order amount settings and the product quantity limit settings. These both of these settings can be enabled accordingly. So once these is enabled, here we have the minimum amount and the amount value for seller. And in the product quantity limit settings, we have the default maximum quantity for a product, for a seller's products. So now let's go to assets visibility. So now we are going to check the asset visibility tab. So basically here we have the email, phone number, address, social links that will be available on the seller's profile page and the product pages as well. So now let's go to the endpoints. So here we are on the endpoints tab. Here the admin has several options to set the endpoint URLs such as the endpoint and the title. So here we have the seller dashboard, product list, add product, edit product, orders history, transactions, my profile, notifications, shop flowers, ask to admin, products from seller, and several more. Here we can see the full list. The admin will be able to set the endpoint and titles both. So now let's move to the Google Analytics and Maps tab. Here, once we have enabled the Google Analytics tab checkbox, so once we have enabled that, the data will be populated accordingly. So here the account number and the anonymized IP. You can set the account number and the anonymous IP. So this will basically anonymize the IP of the customers. Here we have the Google Map API key option available, which can be obtained from the Google account. So that's it for the settings section. Now let's move on to the other configurations available as well. Now let's go to the sellers tab. Here, as you can see, these are the sellers that have been listed on the marketplace. So all of the sellers that will be listed on the admin's marketplace will be visible here. Here we have John Doe and Mark Doe accordingly. Here we have the bulk action available as well. So as you can see here, the delete option is available in the bulk actions. We can also search the sellers available by their username or email or even through their names. Let's search one. As you can see, I have searched the seller by their name and the John Doe seller has appeared in the search suggestion accordingly. The admin can also approve and disapprove the status of the seller for their marketplace. Here we can see the status button is available as the disapprove. So if I click on disapprove, so now the seller has been disapproved from marketplace. So that's it for the sellers tab. Now let's move to the products. Now here is the product listing that is available for the whole marketplace. Now these has assigned and unassigned products, both of them. So basically the admin has the option of the bulk actions as well here. As you can see, we can select and put them in the trash option. And next we have the drop down option available to assign the products to the admin or the sellers available for the marketplace. So the admin can select accordingly. Now we have the several filters available, such as filter by seller and filter the products by assigned or unassigned. We can also search the products by their product title from here. So that's it for the products tab. Now let's move to notifications. Now in the notifications we have two tabs available, which are the orders and the products. So in this notification tab, we'll get all of the notifications that are coming in the admin marketplace basically. So as you can see, an order has been placed by Webkul admin 56 days ago and that notification has appeared here. And we have three sections available in them, all for which are the all notification, or the orders which are in the processing state, or for the orders which are in the completed state. For the next tab, we have the product notifications. So these are basically the product based notification that will be available in this tab. Now let's go to reviews and ratings. So in the reviews and ratings section, basically the reviews and ratings left by the customers on the seller's products will be available here, and they can be approved and disapproved accordingly by the admin. Now let's go to the queries tab. Now in the queries tab, all of the queries which have been put up by the sellers for the admin to check and see and reply as well. Now let's see, a John Doe seller has posted a query for the admin regarding the commission charges. The admin can accordingly reply on that. Here we can see there is the reply message option available for the admin. So that's it for the marketplace backend admin panel configuration. These are all the settings available. And to know more in detail about them, we have listed in the description below the full user guide where you can check out the full admin backend panel configuration settings. So there we have it, a comprehensive workflow of the settings and configurations available in the admin backend panel of the WooCommerce multi-vendor marketplace plugin. If you have any doubts or require further assistance, you can reach out to us through support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay tuned.